Everybody here? Roll call. Rebecca? Ava?
Ava?
Ava? Ava?
Yes.
Lennon?
Let's say here.
Lennon?
What?
Say here. Haley Shaw?
Avery?
Every.
You know what we should do all the way up there? Play the name game.
Oh yeah. Let's start with Troy. Troy.
Avery.
Avery, baby, banana, fana, baby. We're loaded down. We're headed to San Antonio to La Cantera. Is that how you say it?
La Cantera.
La Cantera. What does La Cantera mean anyway? Does that mean something?
Yes.
What does it mean?
I don't remember.
Can I have some of your fries, Lennon? Please. Come on, we're the dudes. Hang on to your food.
So stressing me out.
Oh, sorry. La Cantera. Look, Ava.
Oh, it's our room. Bye, guys.
Listeners.
Let's check it
I
out.
saw it first, so I did. I told mine.
Oh my God, you guys get this. Those are.
Have fun in your room.
Let's check out the view. Oh, look at that view of the roof. It's awesome.
Wait, you can see like all of it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, another roof.
You can. Oh, beautiful. Yeah.
Here we go. The girls have a bigger room than we do. We have a balcony though.
Yeah.
Check it out. We have a balcony.
It looks like
We have a balcony and the view of our roof.
we're going. Where we go? We are nothing.
You all ready?
Yes.
Oh, I broke your charger.
No, you didn't.
I'm sorry. Yeah, it's broke.
I can't tell if you're messing with me or not.
No, I swear I broke it
We have some
on
in the
accident.
car.
We have
Why
some more in
can't
the
you
car.
figure out how to work stuff?
Oh yeah, don't take your shoes off. There's the stairs right over there. Here we go.
Lennon, how was it?
Tell Mom how good it was.
4164.
Alright, we're gonna go do it again.
Hey, girls.
Are we too big?
We did the big slide. bunch of times. You like that slide, Lenny Lou?
Yes.
Is it fun?
Go again, go again, go
Again?
again.
Oh, let me- hey, hold on.
I
I need to refuel just a little bit. I'm on vacation, you know. So it's a little after 6. We just got to the room a little while ago. Me and Lenny Lou are hanging out. I think we're gonna go walk around and explore a little bit. And the girls went down. There's a like a mall just right down the road. So of course that's where they're gonna go. So they'll be back in a little while, and then we'll go to dinner. But let's go. You wanna go explore? You wanna go walk around, Lenny Lou? Lennon,
Yes.
let's go walk around. So, you're running all over the place like a crazy man.
Muffin?
You pretty much wore me out. I went on the slide like 20 times, maybe 30.
Muffin.
I got the muffins right here. You ready for some muffins? I just talked to these guys back here. They're setting up a big screen, and they're gonna have movie night tonight at 9 o'clock. We're gonna go to the movies and see Bolt. Have you ever seen Bolt before? Do you wanna see it? Need some popcorn? You want your movie on the big screen?
I don't like popcorn. Last time I ate it when I was 3.
Oh, it was not good. Well, maybe you like it better now. You wanna come back or not? You watch a movie?
Yes.
Okay, we'll come back and watch a movie. I don't know.
Can you ask them to get fries for me?
You want French fries? Why?
Do they have French fries here?
Let me look.
Probably do.
This is a surfer. You just moved.
There they are.
Maui.
That's where all of the adults hang out. That's where the people with no kids hang out. What are you doing?
Avery really excited. I want to go to the Target.
Oh, he just wants some marshmallow.
This is just chocolate in this one.
Well, maybe each one has something different in it.
Yeah, I need. This is marshmallows. Here are the graham crackers. I
There
just
you
need
go.
a marshmallow. You put the chocolate on the top like this. So you put the chocolate like this. And then you put the graham cracker.
Your chocolate's gonna fall.
No, it ain't. Watch me.
You're supposed to put.
This is not.
No, this is how you do it.
Do you know what you're doing?
Yes, I do actually.
I told you it was gonna fall.
I don't even like chocolate, so it's okay. Hey, give me. Oh, well, I do like chocolate, but I don't like it all. Wait, Ava, can you hold this? Can I have another graham cracker?
This is how you do
This
it.
is not going well.
Look at my mom.
Have you guys ever made s'mores before?
I have. I just can't do it like by myself.
Are you gonna be able to eat it?
Does that make sense? Yeah. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, how you make a marshmallow.
Take a big bite for me.
Ah, where's my chocolate? Where's my chocolate?
There's chocolate too.
You know what's under here? Puke. Oh, look at that. So that's what happened to us about 5 in the morning. Lynn puked. He threw up in the bed. We just covered it up with towels and kept on sleeping. What happened last night? Puke. So you see this hump right here? Right here? I saw a wasp go in there. And then I hit it with the floaty and a wasp flew out. So they're calling somebody to check it out. By the way, we're at the pool. There's a wasp nest right there. Is there one? Good job. You ready? Go. So there is a group of people that have rafts and floaties and little boats, and I guess they're having some kind of race. I'm not sure exactly what they're doing. just talked to the guy who sank, but also won. And he said that they're with medical sales and they were having some kind of team building thing going on here. They had 40 minutes to go into a room and they had all these different floaties and rafts and cardboard and material, and they had 40 minutes to build a boat, a raft, and run it up and down the swimming pool here. So the guy who sank was the guy who won. I can't remember where I left off, but now we're having Budweiser. Anna's having a skunky Corona. And what is this place called?
Sweet Fire Kitchen.
Sweet Fire Kitchen. We're gonna get some pizza. And Lenny Lou is eating some chicken nuggets. You don't want to go home? You like it here? So far, the slide tally is around 7. And
No, 100.
100. We're probably going to get to 100 today.
I want to come see.
Ooh, you smell that skunk? There's got to be a skunk around here somewhere. I can smell it. These chairs are the worst. They're like,
Oh, okay.
what? Yours leans way
I know.
farther back than mine. But still, it's pretty not very comfortable chair. This is the adult-only pool. Maybe someday we'll graduate today. But in the meantime, we're stuck in the kiddie pool. You're a good drummer.